wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well and keeping safe. So today's video is another exciting video because I will be reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks that are in this box. So if you guys are interested, then carry on watching the video. Now for the amazing bit, let's get inside the box, shall we? Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. So if you guys can faintly see, it says Kylie there, and then it comes with this like sponge layer. It also comes with a card that says Kylie in the front. It's the same sort of color, baby pink color, as the box, and at the back it has a note from her that says, "Good choice, love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do, Kylie." It also comes with this like receipt that's not very interesting, so that's that. And then inside we have my lip kits and liquid lipsticks. As you guys can see, some of them are not even in their boxes. This is not my first time using the product, so I have a better review for you guys. So today with me I have 4 liquid lipsticks and 1 lip kit. So the liquid lipsticks are $17 each and the lip kit is $29 each. And then this is the packaging of the liquid lipstick. It's just a simple black box, as you guys can see, and then on the top it has a sticker of the lipstick that's in the box. And this box is for the Mary Jo K lipstick. Then the next packaging box I have is from the Coco collection, and this collection was done in collaboration with her sister Khloe Kardashian, and this is what the box looks like. It's a baby pink color, just the theme of her main packaging box and her card, and it has some golden accents. And then on the top it just has this transparent sticker that says the name of the liquid lipstick that's in this box. And then finally we have the lip kit box, which has this huge lips, which I'm not really sure if it is her lips or any one of her model's lips. And it has the drippies of the lip shade that's in this box, the side and the back. And this box has her Kylie tips that just say how she would use the product herself. So this is the packaging of her liquid lipstick. It has these very unique looking drippies, and it's just this very classic looking packaging. I love it. And the shade that I'm holding up is called Posy K. This is one of her OG shades. And then the next lipstick that I'm holding up is from the Coco collection. As you guys can see, this is quite different to her liquid lipsticks. And then finally, this is the lip kit duo. It has the lip pencil here. And then this is what the lip pencil looks like. So before we get into swatching these, I just wanted to mention I noticed a big difference with the packaging of the newer and the older launches. So here I'm holding Posy K and Better Not Pout side by side. And as you guys can see, the handwriting in the middle that says Kylie is quite not consistent. As you guys can see, it's quite thicker compared to Posy K. Same with the drippies. Now, Mary Jo K is not one of her latest launches, but it is quite new. And I noticed a same difference in terms of packaging. So the handwriting in the middle is quite consistent with Posy K, but the drippies are quite thick, like Better Not Pout. Also, the last difference that I see is that Posy K, the design is more inside the glass, whereas Better Not Pout and Mary Jo K, the design is more outside the glass. Hence why, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but on Mary Jo K, the design is sort of splitting apart because the design is on top of the glass. Whereas Posy K, the design looks more sleek because it's inside the glass. So the colors that I will be swatching for you today are Kristen, Posy K, Mary Jo K, Better Not Pout, and Gorge. So the smell on this is very strong. It smells like vanilla and strawberries, so the smell is very sweet. And this is what the dofa looks like. It's quite tiny, very tiny, but I like it because I feel like it's going to be very precise on my lips. So now I will be swatching Kristen, and Kristen is not far from Posy K. As you guys can see, Kristen is more of a warmer tone and Posy K is more of a cooler tone. So this is what Kristen looks like on my skin. So next I will be trying on the lip kit, and this is the Better Not Pout lip kit. Next, I will be trying on Mary Jo K. So this is Mary Jo K on my lips. And then I'm so happy the final shade to go is Gorge, and this is one of the darkest shade that I owe in her collection, so I'm gonna be swatching it. gorge looks like on my lips. Okay, so to finally wrap up this video, I just want to say I really enjoyed wearing all her lipsticks on my lips. I think the formula is absolutely amazing. It's very lightweight and very comfortable on my lips. The formula isn't like desert drying, but it's not super hydrating either, but it's just in between. So it's very comfortable and it feels like nothing on my lips. Currently I am still wearing Gorge and I think the pigmentation is amazing as well. Now Gorge is a very controversial shade. Lots of people had their own opinions, but for me I felt like because I layered it quite right, it wasn't clumpy and I managed to, get rid of the patchiness, so I'm happy. The smell, not many people might prefer it, but I personally don't mind it. I like sweet smell, so the smell was good for me. But I know there are many people who might be allergic to scents and just don't prefer strong smells, but I didn't mind it. The liquid lipsticks on their own are $17 and the lip kits are $29, which I think is a reasonable price because there are a couple of brands, high-end brands, where the lipstick can be a higher price. So I think this is quite reasonable. In a way, you are paying for her name, so you have to think about that. Today's video was amazing. I really enjoyed applying all these lipsticks, as I said, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. I also have an eyeshadow palette from her. This is the OG burgundy palette. I think this is the small burgundy palette because she has a bigger one. But if you guys want to see a review on this and my opinion, or just see how it looks on me, yeah, just give this video a thumbs up. You could comment down below. I mean, I don't really mind if you don't, because I do accept that I have a small range of subscribers and I really do appreciate just your views or any sort of interaction, so I don't really mind. Okay, bye. Make sure before I go you subscribe down below, and yeah,